Hey you guys, welcome back to K&K's Inspired Creations with Latara. And so today I'm going to be making these really cute Grinch milkshakes. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right on in. So basically I got these glasses from Goodwill. I thought they were too cute to pass up, so I went ahead and got both of them. And what I did is I started off by taking some Spackle, lightweight Spackle that you can get from any hardware store. And I'm literally just adding it to the inside of the glass. I'm not trying to fill the glass with it because that's a lot of unnecessary Spackle being used, but just kind of pushing it up against the glass to make the glass look like it's full of a milkshake. I know I'm out of frame right now. I apologize. Sometimes I be so into what I'm doing that I forget that I'm supposed to be recording. So I ended up doing the exact same thing with the second. I took that Spackle and I went ahead and pushed the Spackle onto the inside of the glass of the entire glass, wiped the top of it so that it was like, you know, nice and neat, and moved on. So the next thing I did was I grabbed some scrapped cardboard that I found laying around the house, and I just measured out the top circumference of both of the glasses. And the purpose of that is so that I can literally just pipe the icing on top and it won't, you know, collapse on itself. And so I'm going to do that for both of them. And then I'm going to be able to basically decorate both of them. So this one, as you can see, I put the Spackle on top and I'm going to go ahead and decorate it. So of course I started with some drip because it's Christmas related. I did some red drip and I did some green drip. This one, I ended up adding a red and green straw. And this one, I ended up putting a cherry on top. So I also wanted to add a little bit extra to it. So I have these little red and green really shiny balls that I ended up placing all over it. So kind of like little candies that I ended up placing all over this particular Grinch milkshake. And so I'm pretty much going to do the same thing with the second one. I'm going to add my Spackle. This one, I'm going to add those two mint candies that you can see at the bottom after I add my red and green drip. This one, I'm also going to add, you know, the red and green straws. And the last thing I want to add to this one is going to be some sprinkles. And while I'm doing that, I do want to take a moment, just thank you so much for watching my videos. You can be watching anybody else's videos on the planet, but you're taking time to watch mine, and I'm so appreciative of it. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Please follow me on all social media handles. I'm growing my channel, so I appreciate it. If you like anything that I'm doing that you like, subscribe, share, definitely leave a comment. I love reading the comments, so don't shy away from that. So one of the last things I did is I took some red mica powder and I took some green mica powder, and I'm just adding red mica powder to one of the milkshakes all over the Spackle or the whipped cream, just to give it this really pretty shimmery kind of color on it. And then I'm also going to do the exact same thing with the green mica powder on the other one. Now the one thing I'm not going to show is the fact that I did like this pretty drizzle right underneath the icing, right above, like at the very tip top of the glass. I guess I forgot to record that part, but I did do that as well, and you'll be able to see it in the final reveal. And this is what it turned out. I love it. I think it came out so absolutely adorable. These are the only two I made, and they are still available if you're interested in them, and just reach out to me. But thank you so much for checking out my video. You have a great rest of your day. See you next time.